guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel getassist.net. So in today's video I have something different for you. I will show you how you can use the Zoom video conferencing tool that is really popular these days. So these days everyone is working from their home, so they are needing a conferencing tool using which they can do their business meetings, or they can work online, or they can just study online. So Zoom is really popular these days, but many of you have requested me to show how you can start using it. Okay, so let's see how we can sign up for Zoom and start using it for making video conference calls. Okay, so in a new tab we have to go to the official website, that is zoom.us. So this is the website. Click on sign up for free, so as to create a free account. Now for verification you have to enter your date of birth, now after entering the date of birth, press continue. And now here you will get 3 to 4 sign up options. Like first, you can use your work email address, or you can simply sign in with Google, SSO or Facebook. So if you have these 3 accounts, SSO, Google or Facebook, you can directly sign in using those accounts. Or if you don't want to use those accounts, you can even use any of your work email address to create a free account. Okay, so let's see how we can sign up using the work email address. I am entering my work email address here in the space given to create a free account. Now after entering the email address that you want to use for Zoom, click on sign up. Now you must have received a confirmation link on your email ID that you have just entered in the previous step. Okay, so we will log into our email ID and click on that confirmation link. So for that, open a new tab and then go to your email ID. So I am logging into my Gmail ID to get the confirmation link. Here I am signing into my Gmail account, you can see, and then I will get the confirmation link sent by Zoom. So yeah, just a while. Okay, so press next and you are signed into your account. Now here is an email from Zoom. Please activate your Zoom account. So open the email. Now here you will find 2 options: to click on the activate account option, or to use this link and paste it into your browser to activate your Zoom account. Okay, you can do any of these. I have clicked on the activate account option simply. Now you have to mention if you are signing up on behalf of a school. So maybe you're running a school and you want to do a conferencing call with your students. So I am not running a school, so I will select no and then continue. Now here you have to enter your information, your personal details like your first name, last name, then you have to create a password. Okay, only the basic information is required here. So I'm creating a password for my account, but there it is mentioned that your password must have at least 8 characters, have at least 1 letter, have at least 1 number, include both uppercase and lowercase characters. So you have to follow these 4 points to create a password, otherwise it will not accept the password. Okay, Next, you have also given that password must not contain only one character like 11111 or contain only consecutive characters like 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. So if you will do like that, it will again reject your password. Okay, so now again confirm the password you have just created in the previous text box and click on continue. Now it is saying that don't zoom alone, so it is asking you to invite people to join your video call. So if you want, you can enter their email addresses right here and click on invite. Okay, and if you don't want to invite right now, you can do it later, okay, by clicking on skip this step. Okay, so for now I am skipping this step. Now here is your personal meeting URL, so you can share this URL with your friends, or you can directly click on it to launch the meeting. So now the Zoom app will start downloading. Okay, so yes, it has downloaded. Now you have to install it on your device. It will take only a few seconds and then you can simply get started with the video conferencing. Okay, so I am installing the app on my device. You can see on the screen it is really fast. So wait till the app gets installed and then I will show you how you can start your video calls. So the app has been installed and it is about to launch. So here it is, join with computer audio. Yes, I will join with my computer audio. You can click here if you want to switch to a different microphone or speaker. Okay, this is your personal profile. Okay, there are options what you can use for, and you can start video call. Okay, that is your invitation URL. It is given here. You can even invite others and start the video conferencing call, or you can share your screen with the other participants. This is your invitation URL that you can use to invite other people to join your video call. So all the options you see on your screen, you can start using them. It is very simple. Right now I don't have to make a call, so I'm not using it. So I hope this video will be helpful for you. Okay, if you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe the channel and stay tuned for more interesting videos. Thank you for watching.